for my real friends, my real friends. Raise a buckle, raise a glass and tell them, so them are my real friends.
What a vlog world.
What a frog world.
We have Miss Lynch right here. Frog world. We have Tamika right there back from her vacation.
Hey, vlog
Back at it again. Back at it again.
Yeah.
Hey, if you don't notice something about my vlog then, tell me if you notice. Lens clean. Hey. Why? Sorry, I'm too extra. Guys, I pull out my ear because I did not sweat too much. I don't know how them girl here do it. Like they sweat on the ear and then keep in if you 1 month. Yo, I'm not roll so.
Yeah, bonfire for me.
I'm not roll so ear after pull out and ear after wash. Yes, that's how we roll. No, I'm not telling a lie. The thing pretty. Wait! Yeah, you know something too vulgar. Your girl working in the office. No, sir. Anyways, guys, I'm going to the movies right now.
And you like my new hairstyle?
She come back clean like a eyeball.
Yeah.
We wait a vlog with the fun. hold your comments, I soon come to you. Guys, leaving right now. I'm going to the movies with some of my friends, so you're gonna see them. Ocean and Jeremy, some of my close friends. And one of my close friends too.
Yes. Colleagues. Yeah, colleagues.
No, my close friends. What's my close? Yes, so I'm going to go to the movies now. I'm not going to go home or anything. This is how I'm going to go because they're waiting on me. So I see you guys there. You're going to meet them and stuff. Alright? Peace. Shout out to you, Ram. Why taxi gone on this? You thought he was going to turn around. A taxi this hour. Well, sorry. Shout out to you, Romanda, for the new look. I like it. It's clean. You're the boss. So we're on the road looking at drive right now. I'm gonna learn to drive. At time now, I'm tired of walk now. So walk foot I go. In a taxi, I guess. I don't know. In a taxi, I don't know. But I'm gonna sharpen up my driving skills. Cause Romanda did that teach me, but me and him did a fall out. No, I'll cut that out, cause man dog a bit.
Clean, man. Like how this now.
Clean. Please.
Do a pose for.
Outfit of the day.
This is my new ring.
Miss Lynch, trying to tell me see I get ring. Yes.
No put it on me.
This name went.
When girl good, girl good. Good girl good.
Boy, I saw that is same, I don't know.
I'm going for my son weekend. Now we're to see. Come back to my baby.
There's something to your camera, no?
When girl good, girl good.
At Skylife TV.
Yeah, man. I'll leave this company. Yeah, but that camera lang kasi ito yung siya. Yeah, star movie. Kaya yung print na sa'yo, no? Ang miyalo pa ni na girl. Print my outfit.
What them do? Them talk about me like every day. I'm talk about them like not one day. Yeah. I sang that. Anyway.
This make you feel like
An ocean right here. Watch me here, man. It's my friend Ocean right here. Hello. Oh, Jeremy. Emotion. Wanna buy? Say hi, Skylife TV.
Hi, Skylife TV.
Really?
Hey, but watch them with me Jeremy the other night. They watch them.
We can't go into the camera.
I don't know.
We can't go into the camera.
When the movie start, we'll go tell them.
So, on the line, we vlog them?
Yeah, you know, see Jeremy coming.
Yes. I only did that watch it at this time.
Your sister, Mo. It's just.
It's on Dubai.
It's on Dubai.
Okay.
Hello, can I have your ticket?
Give them my ticket and things.
Except the channel.
Thanks. So, a 3D movie? I never know say a 3D movie.
How can I do that?
See my friend Jeremy. Friend Jeremy. Say hi to the vlog. Say hi to the vlog.
Yo, no put me on no vlog.
Say hi to the vlog.
No, I'm not.
Well, Jeremy will be on the vlog soon.
No.
When I edit.
You know, so if you put me on the me, I'm going to sue you, right?
You can give it a thumbs down.
No, I can't sue you.
So, alright.
Yeah.
3D. Say something vlog. Say hi Skylife TV.
Only I'm Skylife TV.
My subbies.
Oh, subbies. What's a sub?
Subscribers.
Pick up on yourself, subscribers. Skylife first.
We
Yeah. She see me every day and she look me and tell me how she want me.
stop it. Come on, go watch it.
You want me? Man, don't watch your full time. You know, say y'all look me. Yeah. And oh, big up the girl was say it's on Dubai, you know?
That's a punky, my talk. I move it up, I go first the half time.
Intermission.
Intermission.
Yeah, when I get a country.
Half time, I go first thing. But this show bad man and thing. But review on this 3D movie though. The glasses don't work well. Right, Jeremy?
Exactly. More than 50% of my money back. What's your name? Multiplex.
Multiplex.
They need to give me money.
I hope in that area for your talk stuff and stuff. So we're here enjoying the movie. Nice though, the movie nice, but we just not see good.
Yo, on a pretty girl in the back shadow, I say.
Shine.
My fried shine bad.
Let me finger this. Oh, see my finger here. Anyway, guys, this is us signing out. Nalika Skylife. I'm not sure if I'm gonna end this vlog right here. I'm gonna pick up tomorrow, but no, I'm gonna vlog after we'll come out and stuff. Yeah, so keep it locked. Skylife TV. My dad though, I can't see me. I'm not my black and things.
Invest in some bleaching cream. On the vlog, yeah, man.
Jeremy dog.
Yeah.
Ocean right here. No. Jeremy right here. So how was coming out to Ocean? Can you go on one light, Jeremy?
I'm not going on no light. Yo, when I'm ready for the video light.
Ocean, come over here, Jeremy. Okay.
Yo, I'm not like video light. I'm not like take picture, no evidence.
It's dark, guys. We're gonna find some lighting. Guys,
So this-
we're leaving now. We had dinner.
Our last night together.
These are my besties, yo. Look how we sit down under the light.
We can't.
Jeremy, I'm gonna put up on my vlog. You're out of
Medica, shut your mouth. Yo, big up yourself, Punky. remember, we make a plan. And we let's stick to the plan.
Guys, the movie was awesome. You need to watch it. It was what? Suicide Case?
Suicide Squad, yeah. that
Suicide
country girl.
Squad.
Yeah.
I watched it in 3D, but the glasses, them not nice.
Yeah,
And
don't
it-
watch it in a 3D.
Get some new glasses.
Watch it in a 2D.
and
Why for
stuff.
the two argument?
What? That's lame.
Exactly.
So,
Yo,
We're on our way
future
home.
ex-girlfriend.
had a good time.
Yo, what's the
Our
number?
last night.
And Jeremy's gonna leave us.
Yo, stop telling people my business. Don't tell people my
You
business.
now
yo.
go up to the third.
Yo, don't tell people my business.
I don't
Eh?
want to be punished.
Yes. Yo, show me a nigga be looking handsome as fuck.
Hey, tell me the truth, you know, favor Chavas. Come, Jeremy, look.
No,
Too
yo,
much light.
You look
Yeah.
like Chavas, yo.
yo, Chavas, my brother.
Anyways, guys,
Famous.
I'm gonna end this vlog right
No,
here.
me don't want to be famous. Famous a Chavas friend.
Ah, that's funny, Jeremy.
Very.
I'm gonna end this vlog here. Pretty dark. Peace. What up, vlog world? Good morning. Good morning to everybody. Morning, Kizzle. How you doing this morning? I hope you're gonna have a great day. Hey, watch me ninja bun. I got a ninja bun this morning and stuff. Morning.
Morning. You okay?
Yes.
Okay.
So So today is a great day. In the clip before, you saw my two friends, Ocean and Jeremy. Now Jeremy is leaving, right? Let me just give a quick rundown. How is Ocean and Jeremy? Those are my two closest friends. Like, we met when we started college around 3 years ago. And I remember the day when we met and we went into a group. And right throughout college, it was just the three of us in that group. And we didn't leave each other. And the relationship grew to more than just, you know, a classmate in a group. We spend a lot of time together. We go out, we go movies, you know. True friends. I meet some really nice people in my time. Right, I'm so old, right? I meet some really nice people. And Jeremy is one of them. And today, Ocean and I, we're gonna surprise him. He doesn't know that we're going to come and see him. He's leaving on Friday. Doesn't know that we're going to come and see him. And we put together a nice little collage with all of our pictures that we have together and stuff. And it's a good day. Go mash up my head later and thing. So I'm excited about that. And you know, more while I meet some people in a life, people say, well, people always say, yo, no trust people, no trust friend. Well, Jeremy is one of those persons that you can go to, talk to about anything and give some good advice. He always there for you. He want to make you smile. Yo, when you have a friend like them there, you have to big him up. Big up to my real friends. Yeah, man, a good youth. Good youth. So today we're gonna surprise him. So that's the moral of this vlog. Someone catching reaction on camera and baiting. So when we pull up and do away, I know nothing good. So yeah. What's up with me? Starting school next week. And still working out at home. So if you're not following me on Snapchat, I snap sometimes when I'm working out at home because I still want to lose the weight. I'm not that big, but you know, yo, ninja bone fitting. Boy. You know, so I can keep a party all by myself. Like, I don't know. I just hype so. Anyway, guys, if you're on my channel for the first time, please stop, make a comment something. If you don't like the vlog, what you want to see, if you like my personality, if you're a new subscriber, comment below and let me know, because I want to heal you up. I want to say hi, I want to say hello, I want you to feel like you know me. So I'm seeing a person, so I go and say, Wagan. Hey. So, yeah, and stuff. Today I walk on the road as usual. My driver, he's not here to pick me up. So I'm gonna take a next drive. I don't like when my driver is not here. Anyways, I'm gonna take a next drive and stuff. But I want to touch upon one little something. I want to give one little advice, my little quote of the day, right? Right, if you don't know me, I'm a very deep person. I like listen motivational speeches. I like Martin Luther King on a Monday. I like upliftment, you know? I like when young people want to move forward, want to work for themselves, you know? I like when people do good. Like, if you do good and I don't know you, I still go proud of you. That's some mistake. Anyways, but you have to remember, say, the world is a mean and nasty place, and no matter how tough you are, it will beat you to your knees and keep you down there if you let it. So the moral of that story is, you can't follow people. You can't take advice from people when I do what you do. You know? You have to be you, believe in what you do, and know say what you do is the right thing for you. You know? So yeah, one big up on yourself and keep it locked to Skylife TV. Good morning, Skylifers. You know, the Skylife movement is moving so good. I've been getting so much great feedback from you guys. You know, I'm so appreciative. You know, and I just want to say thank you. I can't thank you guys enough. Can't thank you enough. And stuff. Yeah, so peace. Skylife TV. Keep it locked until later on today. What up, vlog world? We're gonna pick up the pizza now for Jeremy. And guess who me spot? Guess who me spot? Guess who me spot? Yeah, we just spot her, but she never see me, but me see her. I see her right there. Anyways, I'm gonna collect it. So we're here looking at picture frame to put a picture that we have for Jeremy. Show them picture, Ocean. This is Ocean right here. Pull up the picture. Yeah, look on next picture frame for him. Say something about Jeremy. Say something about Jeremy so you can see it later.
Jeremy is awesome. I'm gonna miss him like really.
Real. I'm frightened of I think I want a rat. Yes. Yeah, you can hold. I think the camera focus. You gonna put the picture in there before? Yeah. Okay. Guys, mega.
What you like, guys?
Girl upside in though.
Outside, silver, brown.
You like brown one? The silver one look more manly though.
More money,
Have a pizza. Yeah, sweat as usual. Look at you. I'm ready. Show you the extension cord.
Monica is videoing while she's carefully putting the picture in its frame.
Turn around and see. Three.
Get us now. 420.
420. Ocean, you Wally. Give her for Wally. Get it? Alright, now you can go ahead and wrap. One more in there. Gift bag. You want to say thank you already? This is the young lady that wraps her gift. No, man, it's very nice. So, look here, at S6 this, anybody look good funny. I'm going to tell you. Alright, so thank you. Say hi, Skylife TV.
Hi, Skylife TV. Look what I did. Bye. Hi, Skylifers. So we're on our way now to surprise Jeremy.
He thinks we're not coming, so it should be pretty shocking. We're not opening door. Turn it. Yeah. So we're on our way now, so keep it locked. Jeremy, you're so lame.
Bad. Jeremy, where is the go? Eh? What?
Who know who? You didn't know
why
so me
you
a come?
for your fucker, man?
You didn't know so me a come?
Yeah.
How you know that?
Come here in the background.
I wasn't
When
talking.
we got phone.
When?
But me can't hear medical chat out and it's okay.
Really?
Tell me lie.
Me too much try to pop that and it's not pop.
We
Ungrateful.
need to eat first.
Jem, look how me nervous is to surprise you.
Why you gonna close my door?
You look up in that place that somebody come down here?
No.
Tell me how you feel about us coming.
Oh, I feel wanting to come in.
Give me a hug.
It was expected.
Let me turn on the camera.
If you know the sort.
Jeremy, so happy that we got to surprise you. How you feel?
Why you have to get your all in my house?
I'm in house.
And my house.
Me text you to lie.
Oh, so guys, he's getting his picture now of us.
I first.
Did me in a recording.
Really? I like.
Oh God, Jeremy, please go on, see me. Go on.
Yeah, so I
Should have
remember,
record too.
yeah. I mean, remember the first time you go in a group and sing and you really fun. Go in a group and sing. I would do this, the English sketch for the English class.
Oh my God.
See, the ocean I the judge and the dirty girl. See, and it was fun. See, although
That wasn't our first group. It was time to
I
speak
did,
to us.
and we did very
That's
well.
the first time you spoke to me. Remember I said it in my thing?
oh, yeah, unfortunately, yeah. But I mean, I'm not gonna miss it, no. Yeah, you get to chat with us. And this is a big problem with the town. See? One of the things that oh no argue with no man, that's one for argue with me. No.
Yes.
See? But big man say I appreciate it. And I open no man see this. When man the man see this, ocean old man and a new man see this. I say, yo, me and none of them never in and nothing. Yo, we never even go on them levels then, none at all. Yeah, ocean, old man, I hope you see this. Yeah, I never ever in and nothing. All the time I think so, me and I never see this. And I still get a phone, you know. I still talk. When ocean breathe, because the ocean for some breathing. And ocean breeze, I did there after I be in the shower. Hello? Yeah. And I appreciate the you guys coming tonight. This is a lot of fun. Thanks to the pizza.
Okay.
Pick up all my real friends, every time.
Thank you so much for stopping by Malika Sky Life TV. Please remember to give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscription button. I'll see you on the next vlog.